what's up? Let's be doing the burps dance.
You can probably buy it on iTunes.
Okay? Bitch.
How much do they have on iTunes? What? Is free music?
Oh. Bitch.
Stelio.
What the hell was that? Rocks. If you did not notice that I said YouTube rocks, because my channel, I'm like have so much subscribers, man. I have like 86 now. So much.
What the hell? My phone freaking just restarted.
No, Jesse, you can lift it off my foot.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hi.
So how's it feel, Karen?
Oh,
People watch that.
yeah.
Do you think be sure to play that at your wedding?
Hello. I'm just being a dumbass right there. Oh my god! Forcing him out. It's like. Oh damn it! You guys probably didn't hear that growl.
If you vomit behind that chair, I will so take a strap to you. Is that recorded?
Don't laugh at me. Thank you.
Okay, I have a burp charging, so let's make it a little bit longer. This is gonna be a special 7-minute burp video. 7.
What's that right now, Karen?
Almost 3. Sorry if you guys get bored, you can just stop watching, but if you like my burps, you keep on watching or skip it to the end. Actually, it's gonna be 5. Nah, I don't want to make you guys mad, so. Oh my god, I'm gonna vomit.
I hope you do make the YouTube video.
Oh.
It sounds like you're puking. Oh my god. Where are we at right now, Karen?
4 minutes. Oh wait.
Do a charge burp.
Uh,
What is that? What is that?
I'm on Facebook. What the hell? Really? Of course Xavier like that. It's Xavier's. It says something from Xavier saying that.
oh my god.
This on the Facebook page.
Oh, my song's not blow up. I think this is my longest burp video.
I'm pretty sure it is.
I'm sure I will send you that.
Oh my god! Let's hit my stomach. Oh my god, it's not hurt like hell. Oh! Look, I hit it that hard. I did. Oh my god.
Why did you do that?
Eat the donut.
Why did you hit your stomach?
For the YouTubers, I just drank a little bit of this, guys, and making my burp. That was good.
Oh,
This will be named as long burp video.
I'm pissed.
What?
4 hours ago, Jordan posted on his Facebook.
What is it?
His birthday, he didn't invite us like an asshole.
He had a party?
Well, it was a party to you.
Other people there or just...
Yeah, a bunch of other people were there. Probably like his cousins. What an asshole!
Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god, my stomach! Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna blow up. Oh. Oh, that felt so good. I'm fine, back up. Some people came up.
You're really dedicated to YouTubers to do this for that long. How long is that right now?
6 minutes, 51, 2 seconds.
You're going to 10 minutes, I'm assuming.
Well, I'm going in 10 minutes. That's just 7 minutes of burps. So, I'm gonna make, yeah, let's just drink this way. So this and then I'll be done.
Why don't you make that your ringtone? That's what it should.
I'm not going on iTunes to buy like a intro or something.
Done with that. I didn't have all of it in, so there's a little bit. So, wasn't I go to 10? I knew that. But who liked this video? Please get a thumbs up. Subscribe. Oh, that was terrible. Goodbye. Peace out. Please subscribe, I swear. Please. That means a lot. I'm trying to get popular. Bye. Oh, yeah. Peace out.